I'm going to show you how to dispute when it's red like this. You click to the right, click see details, okay? And then over here you see ineligible, but it's not affecting my channel and it's public. You want to press see action right here. You want to press dispute. Now, you don't want to choose any one of these unless these apply. If you're doing a reaction video, that falls under fair use. So you want to check this at the bottom here. Click here, all right? And then you'll press continue here, okay? And then you'll click fair use, right? And then you'll click continue at the bottom here, all right? And then you'll press, I believe that this is, not copywritten, and everything is fair use. And then in here, you'll specify the reason and you'll put reaction to video, right? And then you put, you'll say something like, I'm simply reacting to this video and that's it. And you'll press submit. I'm not gonna submit this one because this song is actually it's actually my music and it's already being claimed by my distribution company, CD Baby. So I don't wanna double claim the same thing. So I'm gonna let that stay because when this plays, I get paid anyway from CD Baby. When they get paid, they pay me. So I'm not gonna do that, but I just wanted to show you the steps that I did for the other video that I showed you first with the BTS group. Once you submit the dispute for the Fair Use Act, then you're gonna see that it went from red to green and it says escrow. It says you will continue to earn revenue until the outcome of the dispute is finalized. So basically what that means is you're gonna be making money right now because you did not intentionally take anyone's video and just put it up. You actually, did what I did where I actually responded to a video, in a positive light. I didn't take anything away from or hurt the sales or the productivity of the original video. I simply liked the boy band, gave props to them and said, people should look out for them, and if they haven't heard of them, check them out. So that's what I did, okay? So limited videos can be easily resolved and turned green in most cases because the algorithm or the robot by YouTube most of the time is wrong. They assume the video is something else, so you have to have a manual person review it to get rid of it, and usually within a day or so it turns from yellow to green. All you do is go to the right of it and add suitability. You click here and it's gonna say details. Right now mine doesn't say details because I've already submitted for review, but you'll press details and put you want to review. Click review and then they'll put under review. You'll come back and it'll be green. Most of mine were yellow already, and most of them around it has already turned green, as you can see. So that's the easy part, okay?
These three hats have three different meanings. I'm gonna break them down hat by hat. This hat represents me, the family man, husband and father. This hat represents me, the musician, producer, singer, songwriter, street promoter. This hat represents me as a filmmaker, feature films, and vlogging. These hats also represent where I'm from, Miami. The cliche, you're a jack of all trades, but somehow I managed to master all three. I'm Bobby Washington, and these are my vlogs.